Chapter 3. The beginning of the LOD process. Qualified duty status. When are you covered? An LOD determination only applies when you are injured or become ill during a qualified military duty period. Understanding what qualifies is critical because being injured on the wrong day or outside duty hours without proper orders can complicate your claim. Qualified duty statuses for LOD coverage. Inactive duty training, IDT, which are weekend drills, unit training assemblies, UTAs, and additional training assemblies, ATAs. Annual training, AT, 2-week active duty training periods. Active duty for training, ADT, schools, specialized training courses, military personnel appropriation, MPA, reserve personnel appropriation, RPA, funded orders. Active duty, AD, all full-time military service. Travel status. Travel directly to and from the duty location and home of record, including overnight stays in support of orders. If you are injured during commuting to from a drill weekend, this may not be covered depending on circumstances. Always document your exact duty status at the time of injury. Consult your unit's JAG officer if in doubt. Step by step. Initiating the LOD. The LOD process begins the moment an injury, illness, or death occurs. Following these steps precisely and in sequence protects your benefits. Step 1. Injury or illness occurs. The clock starts the moment you are injured or become ill during qualifying duty. Document the exact time, date, location, and circumstances. If witnesses are present, note their names and contact information. Do not minimize the injury. Even what seems minor at the time can develop into a serious condition. Step 2. Seek medical treatment immediately. Go to a military medical provider, MTF, if available. If not, seek civilian care. Establishing medical documentation on or near the date of injury is critical. Delayed treatment makes it harder to establish a timeline for the condition. For Reserve Guard, if treated by a civilian provider, you must submit a medical provider form with diagnosis information within 15 days of requesting an LOD. The military does not need to agree with the diagnosis, they just need documentation. Step 3. Member certification. Sign the LOD form. The service member completes and signs the member certification, the form that officially initiates the LOD process. Once signed and submitted to the unit, the 60-day informal LOD investigation clock begins. Army, DA Form 2173, Statement of Medical Exam and Duty Status. Air Force, Space Force, AF Form 348, Line of Duty Determination. Navy Marine Corps, NAVPERS 1777 or NAVMC 11622. Coast Guard, Branch-Specific LOD Initiation Form. All formal LOD investigations. DD Form 261, Report of Investigation. Step 4. Commander investigates. The immediate commander receives the case and reviews whether misconduct, AWOL, or other disqualifying factors are involved. If none are found, the commander typically approves the informal LOD. If misconduct or fraud is suspected, a formal investigation is initiated. Step 5. Medical documentation submitted. The military medical provider, or civilian provider via medical provider form, submits diagnosis information. Mental health conditions in the ICD-10-F series, for example PTSD, anxiety disorders, depression, are presumed in LOD if the member certifies and no AWOL or misconduct is present. Step 6. Determination issued. The commander, or higher echelon for formal cases, issues one of 3 findings: in line of duty, not in line of duty, due to own misconduct, or EPTS, existed prior to service.